All right, guys, we're gonna show you guys exactly how to do a review campaign for clients so you can give them the fast wins while weeding out the bad reviews and getting the good reviews. This will be quick setup. It won't take you too long and it's very simplified. The first thing we're gonna do here, guys, we're gonna go to settings. I'm gonna show you how you guys get this right after I finish showing you guys. All right, so custom values, you go to folders here and you have rep management. Now you have 4 types of fields that we need to be filling, and I'll explain what it is later. Okay, so the custom field here, we can do $100 Amazon gift card. Okay, now the main review link here is gonna be the funnel that we're gonna be attaching. Here we're gonna actually open a new tab. No, we don't need to open a new tab. You go here under sites, forms, feedback forms, and then preview. And we're gonna take the link here. I'm gonna go back and go to custom values, folders. If you guys don't know what custom values, you should look into them. So negative feedback, we're gonna post it right here. And then for the send review link, we're going to get it from go to reputation. They switched it, so we have to go to reputation. And the review link, we're gonna go to Google. If you connected to Google My Business, you should see it here. And then we go back, custom values, folder, reputation management. You go into review link. Not this one here, send review link. No, actually it will be this one. So main funnel link. So this is the inside the funnel link. The name convention is not that good, guys, but you get the point here. You guys just follow along. Now send review link. Now this would be it will be under sites, and then this one, and then we're gonna preview. Now you can have this as a subdomain for them, guys. Have it as review.theircompanyname.com or whatever it is. Okay, so we're gonna come back here and we're gonna do custom value, reputation and management, and we're gonna come here, edit, and we're gonna do post it here. So now everything else is done. One more thing is that let's upload a logo here. Let's see if you can upload a logo onto this account. All right, so let's take that as a logo, and then we'll go back into custom values. I'm just gonna quickly look into logo here. So company URL logo. Did I copy the link? No, I didn't. So let's go back here to and just get link from here. I'm just gonna come here, custom value, then this up. So your logo, there's 2 logo things, so I'm just gonna add them in here. URL logo. Let's give it a second. Right here also. Now, what we're gonna be having now is a completely done review system. Okay, so now if I come into the funnel and then I review this, right? I can see my logo, and now if I click on 1 star, it's gonna take me here. Now if I click me here, it's gonna take me right there. Okay, guys. So this is the easy way in order for you guys to actually completely set up a review campaign. Now the automation right here is the only thing you're gonna do now after you're done is your basic here. You're gonna just tag all the contacts that you want them. If there's a big contact list, you want to add a drip mode. This drip mode should always, if you go into your agency side, you should see how much you're able to send a day. Go ahead and check that out, okay? So you guys don't oversend. Then it will be hey, and then you'll have the custom values right here. You're gonna have your trigger link. Your trigger link is gonna be right here. You're gonna get this, hit these trigger links. 1 second. Yeah, so hit this trigger link and then send review request, right? And then save it. We're gonna come here. We're gonna go over this. I'm gonna come here. We're gonna remove this and then we're gonna go review link. Okay, perfect. So that one right here, we're done. So basically everything else now, we're just waiting a day. If they don't click on the review link, we're gonna just follow up one more time, and we're also gonna add the link one more time here through SMS and call it a day. So now you have a completely done for you review campaign for customers. Now this will be the prize, so will be $100 win a $100 Amazon gift card, right? And then the trigger link, and then the company name and email, I mean customer name, if you already filled everything else in the custom values. So right now we have it done. The main thing here in reputation, if you're willing to keep it, if they're wanting to send reviews, more reviews, we'll go to settings, and then here under review link, under this custom link, you can go ahead and go into sites here one more time, and then take that link. So again, it's preferable to have it under a subdomain. And if you guys don't know what a subdomain, so where are we at? We go to reputation, and then reviews, settings, and then under review link, we can have the custom link right here. Now you can re-enable this to be SMS message. You write your SMS message here. Thank you for being a valued customer. We would appreciate if you can take 30 seconds to review us here, and then the link would be there. Okay, the spelling is wrong here, guys. No worries. Same thing with email, guys. We're gonna activate it, and then we're gonna have it. We value feedback. Okay, and then this would be the email. Now the link will be this link will be review reputation link, which is the one we set as our main link here. Okay, so I want to make sure this one is saved here. You can save it to the big Google, but this is our custom now, and this is it. Basically, you guys have a full on reputation management. If you guys want to get this, you can go ahead and you sign up for the free course, and also if you are an affiliate, you will get all the snapshot, everything that is included within the course, and you will get the restaurant snapshot, also a home service snapshot included onto that. So go ahead and sign up, and you will also get help from me if you guys need it ever by either Zoom, call, or text. All right, take care, guys.